Welcome to QINGDAO OULI machine. Today I would like to introduce you our 22-inch solar rubber mixing mill. Let's get an overall look of this machine. You can see this machine is equipped with hydraulic stock blender. Yeah, this is a very useful part of this machine, especially for the very big models. And about the safety device. And here we have two emergency stop buttons. And here is the foot brake system. And here is the touch emergency stop system. Yeah, you can see it is very useful. It can protect your workers during your working process. And here is the control system and the touch screen. Here is our electric ruler adjust device. It's very easy. And the most important part of this machine, the reducer and the motor. For these two parts, we adopt China top brand. And this is our hydraulic brake system. And this part, electric control box. You can see all the low electric parts, we adopt China top brand. China famous brand. And also, we will, together with the machine, we will send you our electric drawings. And this part, emergency stop buttons. 1, 2, and that side 3, 4. 4 buttons. Okay, this part. The water cooling system for this machine. When you get the machine, you need to connect the circulating water to this part to remove the heat during the machine working process.